Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Pinterest business account features, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Pinterest business account features, begin by logging into your Pinterest business account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Locate the settings icon, which resembles a gear, and click on it. In the settings menu, find the claim section. Here, you'll have the option to claim your website. Enter the URL of your website in the designated input box. After entering your URL, click on the Claim button. Pinterest will present you with several verification methods. The easiest method is to add a meta tag to your website's homepage. Copy the provided meta tag. Now, log into your website's content management system. Open the HTML editor for your homepage. Paste the meta tag into the head section of your HTML code. Save your changes and ensure your website is updated. Return to your Pinterest settings to complete the verification process. Click on the Verify button provided on Pinterest. Pinterest will check the meta tag you added. If successful, a confirmation message will appear. Your website will now be linked to your Pinterest business account. Continue by exploring additional business features on Pinterest. Visit the Analytics section to track your Pinterest performance. Check out the Pinterest Tags feature for conversion tracking. Consider creating rich pins to enhance your content. Finally, ensure your profile and boards are optimized for your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.